Guys, today I would like to talk to you about how you can work in Poland as an unskilled workers. Today's video is mainly targeting those who may want to work without skills, or who do not want to use degree to work. So now, unskilled workers can come to Poland much more easier than you think. So I will take you through the process of how to find a job as an unskilled worker in Poland, and how much you can earn as an unskilled worker, and what language you need, if you need language proficiency or not, and how many hours you can work in Poland. And I also talk about the easiest way to find unskilled jobs in Poland, and why you should choose an unskilled job offered by employment agencies. So these are some of the areas I would like to cover while as we go through this video. So in the first place, like I said, finding an unskilled job in Poland might quite be easier than you think. There are some jobs which are in demand. Okay, so those sectors which are in demand are mostly manufacturing, agriculture, construction, hospitality. They are highly in need. Okay, and there are some steps which you should take if you are searching for a job in Poland. And one of those steps is you would need to invest a good amount of effort in online job portals. Those are where you can, find jobs easily. Portals like pracuj.pl, that's pracuj.pl, Indeed, LinkedIn, and a number of other portals. And I'm going to share some of them. Okay. Then there are employment agencies like Time to Work. They are employment agency, so they are not a job portal. So you don't go there to actually search for it, but they are employment agency that you contact them. They specialize in helping foreigners, to find suitable jobs. So if you contact them, they take your CV, they do a preliminary interview with you or for you, then they go ahead to see how they can place you, or they can get you a job. Then of course you could use social media like LinkedIn, Facebook, and all of that. So then now, how much to earn in Poland? About 1 hour you would earn at least 2810 PLN per hour. Okay, but in a month you could be looking at 4500 PLL per month. That's for someone who is unskilled worker. An average salary from research has been 6,000 PLL per month, which is about 2,000 something dollars for unskilled worker. Okay, so that is not quite bad. So for you to find unskilled job, it is good that you learn basic Polish. So if you have basic Polish, it will help you a lot. But however, many workplaces are multilingual, and they actually use English as well for the operations. So it's not really a problem, especially in international companies. But many other companies are already accustomed to using English, for as a workplace language. Okay, now for when it comes to how many hours you can work, normally work hours is about 8 hours per day and 40 hours per week. You can also have overtime, but you might not be allowed to work for more than 48 hours, okay, in a week. So this is something you need to know. Okay, now the easiest way to find unskilled job in Poland, though it may vary from your skill anyway, but however, the easiest and most reliable way to find unskilled job in Poland is through employment agencies. It is quite easy through employment agencies and through searching online. So you can hit up people like agencies like Time to Work, and they will streamline the job search process for you. And what they are going to do, they are going to have a job that might then they can also assist you with legalities. They help you to obtain the work permit and unnecessary documents. Then they can also provide you with language support, like providing translation, bilingual staff to assist you, and all of that. So those are the things they can actually do for you. So once you've concluded you really want to do this, then you might come to job portals, to search for job. But before I go on that, I will just take you quickly some work, some amounts you might be earning, like the highest paying unskilled jobs in Poland. Okay, like for example, warehouse workers earn about 6,000 PLN per month, and for construction laborer they earn about 5,000 to 7,000 anyway per month. And you can imagine what their jobs roles are, so I don't want to take all of that, right? Then for factory workers, they earn about 4,000 to 5,500 per month, depending on the kind of factory and how much they're able to pay per hour. Then for cleaning staff, they earn about 4,000 to 5,500 per month. And for farm workers, they earn about 4,500 to 6,000 per month. And for retail store assistant, they earn about 4,000 to 5,500 per month. These are then kitchen assistant earn about 4,500 to 6,500 per month, and parking staff earn about 4,000 to 5,500 per month. So you can see these are the highest on skilled workers in Poland. Okay, yeah. I would like to take you through some job portal. You can check out this job portal. That most of the places you might be thinking of, and the process of going to Poland is a bit streamlined, not quite difficult, and a bit fast as well. So I will encourage you to have a look at it. If you think that this is what you want to do, then why not give it a shot? This is it about Poland and how to come to Poland to work, take up on skill job. For those who are also skilled, there are also opportunity for you to do skill job in Poland. So it just all depend on you, and you can also go through the process. But you might be needing to be proficient in Polish language for you to be able to achieve this. So guys, I'll be wrapping up here, and I hope that this video is helpful to you. And if it is, please comment where you're watching from and give a thumbs up. I'd like to know more about you and what is your need. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.